Hey everyone, this is Preston with Better Pastures Farm. So today we made it to the ranch. We're here in Nicaragua. These are a few of the cows they have up top here by the corral. Man, it is beautiful. They definitely get a ton of rain. We are February 14th or 15th today. We're February 15th and it's just crazy. Crazy what they're growing here right now. Definitely is a whole different change of scenery from Missouri right now. Look at those big pretty trees. And it's just so crazy to be down here. So the terrain's so much different than Missouri. So pretty down here. We're on horses getting ready to ride the ranch and see a few more of the cows. I just wanted to show you guys a clip of their working facility. This is their big barn. The majority of what they do is weigh their cows. They'll weigh them and brand them and then sell them. But their whole operation here is pretty much fatten and flip. So they'll buy, 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds. They'll just buy skinny cows and they just fatten them and flip them. And it rains most of the time. We're technically in the dry season, I think. That's what they were saying. And it rains so much they pretty much have to have this facility, overhead facility with a roof on it. Otherwise, they can't work their cows consistently. Here's our loading dock. Back the semis up to here. So shoot. So right here, we got a head gate right there. And then one right there. They just run the cows in here. And they'll put a scale down there and they just weigh them and brand them and send them off to the next buyer. It's a pretty cool setup. Here's some of the ones. Looks like they're mostly running Brahma / brown Swiss cows here. Definitely not what we're used to seeing with our English breeds. They bunch them all up in this little corral. They got a main corral there. Separate them off here, bunch them up, send them down the alley. And the scenery is just gorgeous here. Some cows over there. Over there's another little house. They got some workmen's to stay there. Look at that beautiful tree. And I'm just in love with the scenery here. I'm excited to see the main herd. These are just some ones that they picked up just the other day, so I think that's why they're thin. But super pretty. We're excited to get checking out the ranch. That is another house where a few workers live. They help run the cows here. Bringing all these cows out of the bottom up to the corral. Today we're in Nicaragua. These are the cows we just brought in to the corral. We're going to run them all through and give them pretty much their tick shot so they can get rid of all their ticks. This is pretty cool. Whole different set of cows. A lot of Brahma, some brown Swiss mixed with them. Let me get ready and run them all through. Brought them up out of the valleys here. Good old-fashioned cow drive, that's what this was. Pretty dang sweet. Yeah, I'm kind of just... These Brahmas are quite something. Definitely don't put on the weight like our traditional breeds will. It's crazy. The grass that these animals have to graze is just beautiful. I mean, we're in February and they planted a bunch of this big grass and it just grows like mad. It'll get like 4 feet tall. It's just beautiful.